Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the Mullion Hinge Cap on your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a new Mullion Hinge Cap for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Start by opening the doors, then flip the Mullion to the open position. Using a T15 Torx bit, remove the two screws holding the center Mullion hinge in place. Disconnect the electrical connector. Then, slide the Mullion up to remove. Using a flathead screwdriver, gently pry the hinge cover away from the Mullion. If you need to purchase a new Mullion Hinge Cap, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install the hinge end cap, align the tab to the notch on the Mullion, insert, and press until it snaps back into place. Align the Mullion hinges to the retainers on the door and slide down to seat the Mullion back into place. Then, reconnect the electrical connector. Swing the center Mullion hinge into place and reinstall the two screws. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this one, please consider subscribing.